How to change LinkedIn password. First, you want to simply open the LinkedIn application, and once you're inside your LinkedIn, you want to simply tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. After that, you want to click on settings over here, and inside your settings, you want to tap on sign in and security. Inside your sign in and security, if you find the option to change your password over here, you want to simply tap on change password, and you'll be able to change your password from here. However, if you do not find the option, what you can also do is, if you have the email address, if you have opened your LinkedIn account with a Google account, you want to simply go to your Google over here, and once you're inside your Google, you want to simply tap on your profile over here, tap on manage your Google account, and by doing so, you'd be able to find an option here called Google password. You want to simply tap on Google password, and by doing so, you'd be able to enter your Google password and follow the prompt to change your password from here as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.